Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some super easy and delicious Mexican wedding cookies. So in case you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. So once we have that going on, now we're ready to begin making our batter. So in our bowl we're going to add 2 sticks of unsalted butter at room temperature. To add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Along with 1 cup of powdered sugar. And now we're just going to beat it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so once the butter and the powdered sugar have incorporated together, we're going to turn up the speed on medium and just continue mixing. Okay, so after 3 minutes, our butter should be nice and whipped. To add a pinch of salt, along with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And we're just going to incorporate it together on low speed. Okay, so once we mix our flour, this is what our butter should look like. So now we're going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans, along with half a cup of walnuts. And just mix it together. Okay, so now kind of pull your dough together. I like to use my hand, but of course you can use your spatula. So this is just going to form our dough. So like that, it's easy to shape our cookies. So once we have that, now we are ready to shape our cookies. Okay, I'm going to be lining my cookie sheet with some parchment paper. Okay, so once that's ready, our oven is ready too. Okay, so I'm going to be grabbing about 2 tablespoons of the cookie dough and just begin to shape them into balls. So kind of press it together. And of course, if you want your cookies bigger, then just add more cookie dough. But just like that. And repeat the process until you no longer have any more cookie dough. Alrighty, so once we have rolled out all of our dough, now we're going to place them in the oven and bake between 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so after 15 minutes, our cookies should be done. So we're going to allow them to cool down for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can get our powdered sugar ready. Okay, so just sift some powdered sugar. Okay, and meanwhile, we can just continue waiting. Alright, so after 10 minutes, we're going to grab our cookies and we're going to dip them into our powdered sugar and just coat them. So make sure they're nice and coated. Just like that. And just repeat the process. Alrighty, and just like that, once we coated all of our cookies, we can get ready to serve and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and once our cookies have cooled down, we can now get ready for the best part. So we are ready. So of course, allow them to cool down before packing them if you're going to be gifting them to your family and friends. But let me tell you guys that these cookies are seriously the easiest and the best part, super delicious. So grab your cup of coffee, your milk, whatever you want to enjoy them, because I am ready. Ready? Cheers and enjoy. And they're not too sweet. They're perfect. If you love pecans like myself, you're going to love these cookies. They're crunchy. They're so good. They're not dry. What do you think? How can you describe them?
The best combination.
Shortbread cookies, the best. I'm telling you, you need to try them. This is the season, so I hope you enjoy it just as much as we do. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some super easy and delicious Mexican wedding cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.